In our fast-paced and hectic world, finding inner peace and calm can seem like a challenge. But there's a powerful practice that has been used for centuries to quiet the mind and cultivate a sense of serenity: meditation. Welcome to this video, where we'll explore the practice of meditation and its many benefits. So, what exactly is meditation? At its core, meditation is a practice that involves training the mind to focus and redirect thoughts, ultimately leading to a state of clarity and inner peace. It is often done in a quiet and calm environment where distractions are minimized. There are different forms of meditation, but they all share a common goal: to bring awareness to the present moment and cultivate a sense of calm and centeredness. One popular technique is mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment. It encourages us to observe our thoughts and feelings without getting caught up in them. To begin a mindfulness meditation practice, find a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Start by focusing on your breath, feeling the sensation of each inhalation and exhalation. As you breathe, thoughts and distractions may arise. Acknowledge them without judgment and let them pass, gently bringing your attention back to the breath. With regular practice, you'll start to notice the benefits of meditation. It can help reduce stress, increase self-awareness, and improve overall well-being. By cultivating a state of mental clarity, meditation allows us to navigate life's challenges with greater resilience and a sense of inner strength. Remember, meditation is a journey. It's not about achieving a particular outcome or silencing the mind completely. It's about creating a space to observe our thoughts and emotions with kindness and compassion. So, whether you're just beginning your meditation practice or you're an experienced meditator, take a few moments each day to connect with yourself. Find stillness and embrace the present moment. May your journey of meditation bring you peace, clarity, and a deeper connection with yourself and the world around you.